Good morning, student. Today we start the new topic. This topic is tournament and importance of tournament. What is the meaning of your tournaments? Tournaments means that which is the game held in one place, one area. Some players are coming, some teams are coming, and showing your strength. Okay, showing your physical strength. You fight to the another team. You fight to the another player. Okay, so that area, that game, it's called a tournament. You see in your screen the importance of tournament. So development of a sports skill help to selections of player, development and nation and international integration. The tournament is very important for our this countries, of our nature, of our social activities. It's develop your physical strength, it's develop your coordinations, it's develop your national and international integrates develop a social quality, so many things. Then next is your four senior screen, four types of tournament. Which types of tournament? The first is knockout tournament, then second is league and round robin tournament, then third is combination tournament, and fourth is your challenging tournament. So what is the meaning of knockout tournament? In knockout tournament, one player to the fight to the another player, and you have a only one chance. Okay, you have a only one chance. If you are win, then you go to the second level, but if you are lose the match, you have a no chance, you are a disqualify and uh, finish. Okay, then second, see in this figure, A is playing to the B and C is playing to the D. Who is the winner? A is winner. So then second day he will go to the second level, and then C and D, who is the winner? D is the winner, so is go to the second level. See in your figure, E in upper side, the right, your buy. I explain you what's the meaning of buy. Buy means if those in previous game or previous time, some player or some teams are very good, giving a performance, so that strongest team, the strongest team, first day they are resting period. This resting periods, the benefit of this resting periods is called a buy. So in first day, E is a rest period, they are not fighting or they are not compete to the another team or another player. Okay, then second day, the A is rest, then D and E is fighting to each other, and E is the winner and go to the next level. Then third is E and E both are fighting to each other, then this both, those who are winner, he is the winner in knockout match. In this knockout match, A is B is you have B is no chance, only one chance. So in knockout match, you have only one chance to fight to the another team or another player. Okay, if you are lose the match, you disqualify. Then second is your league tournament. What is the meaning of league tournament? It's a just opposite to the knockout tournament. In knockout tournament, you have only one chance, but in league tournament, one player fighting to the those all teams, those who are coming. Means that if a see in your figure, the first is in league match, in league tournament, two types of tournament: single, okay, and double. In single league, you see this picture, A is fighting to B and A is fighting to C, A is fighting to D and A is fighting to E. Means A is fighting to this all four groups. Means how many times? Four times they are playing and four chance they have. Okay, in knockout match only one chance, but in single league, four chances are there. In double league, see the figure. In double league, A is playing to B, A is playing to C, A is playing to D, and A is playing to E in first day. Means 4 chance here and 4 chance again. Second day means 2 chance for the each teams. Clear that? So league match compete to the so many times you have so many chances. Is depend on the team. So how many teams are coming and how many chances you have. Then second, the third is your challenging combination. Sorry. Combination challenging. In combination tournament, which is the different, I repeat again, the knockout tournament you have 1 chance, okay. Then league match you have, if single league out, then how many teams are depend that you have one times you play, okay. The third is combination tournament. In combination tournament, the follow the knockout, but it's in combination so many teams, okay, so many teams and so many players are coming in a one time. That time the and there's committees, and then officials are some drawing of fixtures to divided into group. The divided into first group, and then in that group those who are winner, and again he will fight. You see in this figure, zone A, zone B, zone C, zone D means total. You count the total number of teams are how many? 4 2 8 12 16. So total team are coming in 16 team, but divided into 4 zones. How many zones? 4 zones. In zone first, 4 teams are fighting to each other. Then zone B, 4 teams are fighting to each other. The same, the 4 zones, the 4 teams are fighting to each other. Then this 2 fighting those who are winners. So how many winners are there? 4 winners are there. Then again these 4 winners are fighting to each other. Then come to the final one winner. It's the winner. Okay, so it's a very take time taken tournaments. So it's mostly in India, in another countries, the follows a knockout match. It's a less amount of budget, less amount of prices, and time less, okay. Then next, the third is complete. Then fourth is your consolation tournament or challenging tournament. In this tournament, sometimes you see that the weaker, luckily the weaker teams are a winner, and then those who are fighter, those who are stronger team, luckily sometimes it will be lose the match. Then that time some officials are consult and give the another chance to that winner teams. That's a consolation or challenging tournament. This it's not follow mostly, but mostly in every way the knockout and league match the follow, okay. So thank you. Today your knockout tournaments is complete. Knockout, league, combination and challenging tournaments complete. Thank you.